Current divider rule. Current divider rule is used when the total current is known in a parallel circuits to find branch currents. Here we can see these are two branches and these two resistors are connected in parallel. Total current is I. Current through this resistor R1 is I1 and current through this resistor R2 is I2. This is node A and this is node B. Let VAB, voltage across this A and B is VAB. So VAB is equal to either I1 into R1 or I2 into R2. So VAB is equal to I1 R1 and also I2 R2. Now by applying KCL at node A, if we apply KCL, Kirchhoff current law, to this node A, then summation of all the entering current at a node is equal to summation of all the current leaving the node. So here entering current is total current I. So I is equal to leaving current. Leaving current from this node is I1 and I2. So I1 plus I2. So here I is equal to I1 plus I2. Now from this we can say that I2 is equal to I minus I1. But I1 R1 is equal to I2 R2. So here we can write I1 R1 is equal to I2 R2 as it is, and we will replace this I2 by this value I minus I1. So here this will be I1 R1 is equal to I minus I1 into R2. Now if we simplify this, so this will be I into R2. So I into R2 minus I1 into R2. So I1 into R2. Then if we take this on left side, so this will be positive. So I1 R1 as it is. Then this will be plus. So plus I1 R2. So I1 R2 is equal to I into R2. Then here we can take the I1 common. So I1 in bracket R1 plus R2 is equal to I into R2. So from this I1 is equal to I into R2. So I into R2 divided by this value R1 plus R2. So from this we can say that I1 is equal to I into R2 by R1 plus R2. So this I1 is equal to total current into opposite branch resistance, which is R2. R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Here we can see that this I1 is equal to total current I into opposite branch resistance, which is R2 divided by R1 plus R2. That is total resistance. Now to find I2, but I2 is equal to I minus I1. So we can replace this I1 by this value. So this will be I2 is equal to I minus I into R2 by R1 plus R2. We have replaced this I1 by this value. Now we can take the I common. So this will be I2 is equal to I into in bracket 1 minus R2 by R1 plus R2. Now I2 is equal to I into, we can multiply this 1 into R1 plus R2. So this will be R1 plus R2 and this minus R2 divided by this value R1 plus R2. Now this R2 and this R2 will get cancelled. This is positive and this is negative. So this will get cancelled. So what's remain? I2 is equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So this I2 is equal to total current I into opposite branch resistance, that is R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Here we can see that I2 is equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2.